Hey folks, AJ here. We are back here at Guildfield Baptist Church, day number 3. Actually, just happened to be driving down here and I got a call, so everything worked itself out. So we're here to pull this TV down, put up the other one, move this downstairs, see if we can route the existing cable that they have down there for run this fiber one down there, as well as another one for a camera. I got some other cables, some right angle cables to fix the jacks. They have the drywall put in place in the sanctuary, so I'm gonna work on that and drop off the sound system and all that other good stuff. All right, so I got the plates put on in the sanctuary. I'm short 3, so I need to order 3 blank, I think they're called D-series plates for XLR inputs, 2 for the ceiling mounts for the speakers on the ceiling, and then it looks like I was missing 1 for the receptacle on the left, well, if I'm looking at the pulpit all the way on the far right. All the other ones are done, so yay. They did seal up everything, but thankfully I have a pull string. I think I didn't drop the cables for the suspended mics, so we're gonna have to figure out how to get that done. Thankfully, I have a 2-inch hole, so it's more than enough space. It's just getting up under there. Worst case scenario, I just pull up the planks. They glued it down, so I'm gonna have to glue it back down if I need to do that. I might try and do that today, possibly, but we are now here. I'm gonna take this TV down, move it out, put the other one up, and then go from there. Alrighty, all done. I used the existing mount for here because that was easier. Me personally, that seems pretty high, but that's how they had it. And at the angle, we can always adjust that if they don't like that. Now, the other mount that was purposed for here, that's what I'm gonna use downstairs, right there. And that's what we're getting ready to go to now. I don't think I can do anything else other than this today. I could possibly try and go up there and run the cables, put the HDMI cables in place for the TVs in the sanctuary and possibly here. I'm not really dressed for that, to do that today. But we will be back. They said they are gonna start painting Thursday, and then the painting should be done by Wednesday. Then we'll be back in here Thursday and Friday of next week to actually start putting the cameras in place and all that other good stuff. And then you see about getting some extra ladders and stuff like that to get this stuff up here. I might call Mr. Hicks, see if he can help me with that and get that manual lift like we do before. But we'll see. Let's head downstairs now. Alrighty. TV from the fellowship hall is moved down here, and I didn't even have to use the mount. I actually found the arms. There was already a mount on the wall down here, but found the arms that attached to the TV, and hey, yay, that's all done. So I have a mount that's loose 4 screws, but perfectly good mount. I'll probably repurpose that for something else. But at this point, I think I'm done. I don't want to go up in the ceiling because they're finishing up all the drywall and the mudding and the taping inside the sanctuary. So really not much else for me to do. It's possible for me to start setting up the sound in that room, but there's no table. And I don't want to grab a table that might be used. I'll let them know. And then we cut it early, and I'm gonna head over to my church because one of the projectors went out. It lost connection. So I'm gonna have to get a lift and get up there, and we're gonna run some additional SDI cables, Ethernet cables, all this other stuff for redundancy. Thankfully, the projectors are still under warranty, so if there was an issue, we can always return it, but we need a lift to get up there. But I think that's about it for today at Guildfield. And yeah, there was already a HDMI cable in the ceiling that's coming up over here somewhere. So I just need to find where that is, where that's going to. And then probably gonna drop a fiber cable down here, or honestly for this distance, I might go ahead and do a SDI to HDMI converter so I don't have to worry about the cables being damaged. But we'll handle that when we get back.